Hi students, third exercise, first one, construct triangle NEAT with measurement NE equal to 6.4 centimeters, angle N equal to 50 degrees, angle E equal to 100 degrees. First, draw a line segment NE equal to 6.4 centimeters, 6.4 here. Draw a line segment NE equal to 6.4 centimeters. Here write NE. Measure right 6.4 centimeters. 6.4 centimeters. Next, draw angle E equal to 100 degrees. Angle E equal to 100 degrees. Angle E. So we know that before only we are using right side, see that top of the readings. We are using left side, see that down readings. Here E, angle E 100 degrees, 90 above. Here 100 degrees, this is 100 degrees. So remove that, draw with a straight line. For this, keep arrow symbol this one. And next angle N equal to 50 degrees. Here, correct exactly this point, intersect this line, coincide like this. So see here, 0 line. Here, 50 degrees. So below 90, 50 degrees. This join, this point. Here this point not intersecting, still more increase this line. Here still increase that, remove that arrow symbol, still as it is this one 100 degrees, extend here, this is 50 degrees, here right 100 degrees. This is 50 degrees. Now steps of constructions. Draw a line segment NE equal to 6.4 cm. Steps of constructions. Draw a line segment NE equal to 6.4 centimeters. And next point, draw angle E equal to 100 degrees. Next point, draw angle N equal to 50 degrees. Next, this intersect point at T. So this is T here. Next, final last point. This is the required triangle NET. Now second and third construction. See here, triangle PQR. QR 6 centimeters. Angle Q equal to angle R equal to 60 degrees. And third one, triangle RUN. RN equal to 5 centimeters. Angle R equal to angle N equal to 45 degrees. And see these constructions. Draw a line segment QR 6 centimeters. QR 6 centimeters up to 6 centimeters. So this one write with a pencil only. Don't use any stick pens, colors. QR 6 centimeters. QR 6 centimeters. Next, angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Angle Q. Angle Q 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Angle Q 60 degrees. Now draw this straight line. And angle R also 60 degrees. Angle Q equal to angle R equal to 60 degrees. Means angle R also 60 degrees. So we know that before only we are using left side. See that down readings. We are using right side. See that top of the readings. Now join these two. Keep arrow symbols. Angle Q 60 degrees. Here angle R also 60 degrees. Here QR intersect point P. Intersect point P. Steps of constructions. Draw a line segment QR equal to 6 centimeters. Second point. Draw angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Third point. Draw angle R equal to 60 degrees. Next, fourth point. They intersected point at P. The intersecting point is P. Last point. This is the required triangle. So this is all angles are equal. So this is the required equilateral triangle PQR. Third question. RN equal to 5 centimeters. Angle R equal to angle N equal to 45 degrees. So first draw a line segment RN equal to 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment RN equal to 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment RN 5 centimeters. So angle R equal to 45 degrees. Next angle R equal to 45 degrees. Angle R equal to 45 degrees. 40-50 between here 45 degrees. This remove and draw that straight line. Next angle N equal to 45 degrees. Angle N. Angle N. See here exactly straight line. 0 coincide. Here 45 degrees. 40-50 between here. 40-50 between angle 45 degrees. Remove that. Draw a straight line. Keep arrow symbols. Here angle R equal to 45 degrees. Angle N 45 degrees. This RN, this is U. Now steps of constructions. See here. One of the here 45 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. 45, 90. So 180 minus 90, 90. So here angle is 90 degrees. Means this is here one of the angle is 90 degrees. Another two angles are equal. Means same. So which type of triangle is this? Right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. See here steps of constructions. First point, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment RN equal to 5 centimeters. Next, draw angle R equal to 45 degrees. Next, draw angle N equal to 45 degrees. Next, the intersecting point is U. The intersecting point at U. Next, this is the required. This is the required. So which type of triangle is this? Required triangle. So right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles Why? Because these two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. Right angle isosceles triangle. Triangle name right RUN.